Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Good afternoon. Nonse Malawi kumene muli. This is a recording that is coming through now. Very urgent indeed. And we want to actually alert the people about what is happening secretly. And the money has been sponsored by the outgoing or the defeated government that was there before. To a tune of almost 240 million has been given to Trapeze and his team Tambo to destabilize the Mutharika administration, and they will start from Zuzu, then it will go to other places so that they are seen as if they are from the north, and that the north is not happy with the Mutharika administration, which is not true. Let me warn Trapeze, let me warn HDCR, let me warn those who are being involved that we are also organizing a similar one there on the very same date. I will alert the police, will alert the army that we are in full force, will be there and will crush them. It will be a bloodbath, one that they have never seen it before, because we are prepared to stop that nonsense. We are prepared to tell this HDCR that we are not playing. Make Malawi Great Again is not an institution that can be taken lightly, but it's a very serious one. I knew when I was coming up with this idea of protecting the president, protecting freedom and democracy, and to fight against corruption, I knew exactly what I was talking about, because I knew that these people, they don't believe that they were defeated, they don't believe that they are out of government, they don't believe that they are no longer needed by Malawian people, but they think they're still, maybe they're in a dreamland, they think that they're dreaming, they think that they're still controlling machinery of government. And the Mtanyiwa will shortly be giving out the names of some of the people at the central medical stores who have deliberately taken the valid medicines, drugs, and mixed it with expired drugs so that at least they can actually cause a shortage, a massive shortage of drugs in hospitals in Malawi. Mtanyiwa will come up with the names, and I have the names. They have forwarded the names to me. I'm yet to communicate to Chisare Mkito and the Minister of Health and the President, so that the President should be aware, should send the people now to central medical stores today without any delay. And the Lilongwe chapter, I think, should go to central medical stores, because these people are busy now in the central medical stores trying to take the valid drugs, and they are mixing with the expired drugs. Now, as I'm talking to you, this is as a matter of urgent. Kito, can you send the police there? Ajisare, can you send the police there now? Our President, this is an urgent attention to you that you should send the people now. These people are doing, and we have their names, their telephone numbers, everything. And Mtanyiwa will actually come up with names, telephone numbers, telephone conversations, everything that we are sending it now. Let me warn those who have organized this in Mzuzu. Mzuzu, be on the alert. If you have never seen a bloodbath, it is going to happen this time. If you have never seen people in the street exchanging blows and whatever that they think they're planning, this is the time we're coming for you. This is the time that you will see who KAMLEPO KALUA is. And if you have just been hearing about me, there you will see a full military uniform that I have, and the full military equipment that I have. I've been hiding it all these years, but I'll put it into a full alert, and the whole world will know who I am. And I'm warning you, bring on your demonstrations, and we'll also bring on our demonstrations. So I call upon the people in this northern region to join me on this date when these people are going to march in Mzuzu. Join me, because this is going to be an action that we have never seen in the history of this country. And we are ready for them. We are ready because I knew about it. I knew that these people is what they are going to do. And it was better and good for Mutharika not to appoint me anywhere yet, because I have to fight these people up to the bitter end, up to the last drop of my blood, so that Malawi can be great again. So I'm ready. They have been doing stupid things here, blaming each and every problem that they caused on Mutharika. They are blaming even the shortage of fuel when it started last year in February. Cars have been sleeping on the filling stations. Petrol was scarce. Many people were actually sort of asking why CHAKWERA is doing that. They were preparing for this, and they were preparing to blame a government that is coming. This is why they also killed Chirim, because they knew that at least by doing so, they will have no a voice that will be counter to whatever that they were planning. This is why they recruited these people who are now languishing, being given bail when the judiciary, they don't know the matrix, the intrigues of politics. Why they arrested. These people killed the people. These people made the people, a terror, fear. They caused the fear in our society. And now time has come that these people now should face the consequences. And I appeal to the judiciary not to release these people. These people must be dealt with. These people must be at least told that Malawi is for all. Malawi is not for them. And if there are people behind them, all of them should be arrested now. All the MCP will never, never, never come back to power, come what may. Even if they think of doing whatever that tricks that they think, it will never happen and they'll never come back to power. Ndikuchenje zenu kuti fe tilipo akumzuzu konzekani anthosa kumpoto konzekani. We are going to confront these people who are planning this march in Mzuzu. I'll be in Mzuzu as from this weekend. I'll be there. I'll be planning this. I'll be doing all sorts of things so that at least that day, and we are even going to confiscate and confiscate all filling stations that were done more like corruptly by these leaders of this of the Malawi Congress Party, who gave each other a share of constructing filling stations. So we are going to confiscate those filling stations, and we are going to give to the proper businessmen that will be managing these filling stations. So it's a warning. It's a warning. It's a warning. A police YOMWE NIPO, because this is going to be a bloody confrontation that you have never seen. We're not afraid of the army. We're not afraid of the police. We want to stop these people who want to disrupt the administration of Arthur Peter Mutharika, because they have their own political selfish interest, of which we cannot allow. The people spoke. The people spoke clearly that they don't want them. They want Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. And within weeks, they started grumbling. They started talking all sort of nonsense to say he has failed. Just imagine a week before he was even sworn in, they started saying he has failed. The week before he officially was taken to be the president of this country, these people started now talking stupid things against the professor, against the choice that the people made, preferences and choices that people made. So we are warning you. You did that to me because you didn't want me to be in parliament. We know what you did in my constituency. That is beside the point. Now, Mzuzu will be on fire. Should the city council allow these people, we are going to announce a prompt protest march that you have never seen in the history of this country before. And may I clear with the army, may I clear with the police, I will be in a camouflage uniform that you have never seen in the history of this country. And this is mine, and I'm not going to fight the army, I'm not going to fight the police, but I'm going to fight these dark forces that the MCP is trying to create, confuse the democratic processes in the country, the constitutional process in the country. My appeal to the judiciary: if judiciary are going to give these people, we are also going to invade the judiciary. We are going to invade the judiciary in Mzuzu. We are going to invade the judiciary in Lilongwe. We are going to invade the judiciary in Blantyre. And you are going to be taken out of the office, dragged into the street, because you don't understand the evils that these people are planning against Peter Mutharika. And we cannot allow it to continue like this. This is nonsense. Mutharika had to wait until the democratic choices prevailed. He never made any noise against anybody. He was never against Chakwera. He never talked ill of Chakwera. He was always quiet, giving him a chance to lead this country to rule. But why is Chakwera not accepting that people made preferences and choices, and they chose Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika to lead them? Why are they not accepting it? So this is a very, very, very serious warning, and I'm telling you, we are there for you. Enough is enough, and we can't take it anymore. I think these people must be dragged, even in parliament, out. We'll go to parliament, we'll drag them out of parliament. There will be a show in parliament that you have never seen it before. This is going to be ugly, and prepare for it. And this is going to be ugly. Please, the judiciary, don't release these people in prison, and we're going to invade wherever they are in prison, and we're going to drag them to the street. We are going to make them, naked, and we're going to force them march in the street, and we're going even to do something very sinister that we have never seen it before. So we cannot allow this nonsense. We wanted a process of democratization to take its course. We wanted Malawi to attain free and genuine multi-party democracy. We wanted to tolerate. We wanted to agree to disagree. Opinions, views. That is how democracy works, but not in the way how these people would like to. They want to impose their will on the people. So mind you, we are there for you. We are ready for you. Malawi, make Malawi great again. All the members, we are about to do 3.8, 3.9 million now countrywide, and some of them outside the country. Be ready on this day that the HDR, they are preparing a demonstration in Mzuzu to confront them. The Mzuzu people come out on that day, because I'll be reading a counter demonstration, and the Karonga people come out, Mbuvi people come out. Even if you don't come out, even if I'm alone, I'm going to deal with them accordingly, and they will see who I am, and they will see that, oh, so we were playing with a sleeping lion that was there trying to look at us in the jungle. This is what you are going to see, to witness on that day. Mtambo, be careful, because we know who you are. We know what you're up to. Be careful, Trapeze. Be careful, and other people. We are monitoring you. Your days are numbered. And this is going to be the thing that you have never seen it in the history of this country. Good afternoon.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.